Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by isolating the text you want to change. Duplicate the background layer, then mask the area precisely. Use a healing or content-aware tool to remove the original letters, sampling nearby texture and brightness so the fill matches. Once done, clean edges with a small soft brush and refine the mask. This prevents halos. Make sure to preserve shadows and highlights because matching those is how the new text will look natural in the scene. Next, recreate the text by matching its size, weight, and style. If you can't find the exact font, choose a close visual match. Type on a new layer, then rasterize and use perspective or warp transforms to align the letters with the scene plane. Watch vanishing points. Once aligned, adjust layer blending, opacity, and apply subtle grain or a slight blur so the text integrates with image noise. Make sure lighting direction and shadow behavior match the surrounding area for realism. Finish by refining edges and adding realistic shadows or highlights. Paint a soft shadow on a new layer, blur it, then lower opacity to match existing lighting. Color correct the text with curves and selective saturation so it sits in the scene. Add a tiny amount of noise to match grain. Once done, inspect at 100%. If the text looks detached, resample surrounding texture, tweak blend modes, or refine the mask. If problems persist, undo the last transform and rewarp slowly for.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.